Hello everyone, we are going to add our custom Keller Mortgage embedded page to our command website today, and we're going to be able to send our consumer directly to Keller Mortgage to apply to our branded portal. Okay, so this is what the page is going to look like after you've added it. Again, they've got the option for some info about Keller Mortgage. There's a little mortgage calculator on this one too. They can get to Keller covered as well. But basically, you are sending a consumer to this page. There's multiple ways that people can get to your Keller Mortgage page. This is just one of the options you can give them. And when they click on Apply Now, they're going to be sent to the Keller Mortgage portal, and you can see that it will be linked to you as their agent. Okay, they'll go through a few more steps of giving some information, and then when you do, you'll get a notification saying, hey, so and so, Bob just started his mortgage application with Keller Mortgage. And you can reach out to Bob and ask him if he had any other questions. Encourage him to get all those documents to the lender as soon as possible so they can give you a super strong approval right there. Okay, and so if we continue, we are going to add the content to our page. Now this one does have a few more steps than the previous widgets that we have added, okay? And so in the past we've gone to some websites and it has given us code, okay? I'm giving you guys the code here, borrowed this from another great tech trainer, and right here under intro text, we've been pasting our either iframe or HTML code into the intro text box. And so this is what you want to select. The problem is that currently this is my branded pre-approval links. You're going to have to change it out for your own branded link. Otherwise, if you just put this code in, you're going to send everyone from your website to my Keller Mortgage portal. Now, the link that you're receiving this code in is a view-only document. So you're not going to be able to edit on this one. You're going to have to select this whole code right here. Make sure that you start. Oh, we definitely don't want to do that. So you're going to grab the bottom and come all the way up right below the intro text. You're going to copy this, and then you're going to go put it into your own Word document or your own Drive document, because you'll own that document and you can edit it. This is a view only, because if anyone edits some of this code, it won't work for the rest of you, okay? So again, copy it and put it into your own document. And now we're looking at that document that you can edit. We need to go and get your own Keller Mortgage link. And to do that, we come right up here and we go to portal.kellermortgage.com. It's the exact same login as your command, your MyKW. So if you're already logged into command, you'll already be logged into Keller Mortgage. And right here we have a tab called KM Settings. We'll click on there, and here is my personal Keller Mortgage link. We simply want to copy this. Then we're going to go back to the page that you created, that you can edit, and switch out the blue text for your own text. So again, you can see there's a quotation mark here and a quotation mark right here. Those are going to stay. All of the text within those that is currently highlighted blue is going to be removed. Okay, so simply going to remove it. We should still see two quotation marks. And then I'm going to paste. Again, you're going to be pasting your own link right here, okay? And then we're going to recopy. Control C to copy. Now we're going to follow the same steps as before, jumping back into command. So again, right here, we are in the consumer tab. We can go to site and app settings and agent site pages. Add a page. We can create that new site. Name it for when we add it in just a minute. we're going to grab this company profile, the one we've been using for all of our widgets. And now we are going to configure that widget and click on company profile. Now headline is going to be right here. Maybe we're going to call it save thousands of dollars. This intro text, we're going to remove all of it and we are going to paste. This is all that code that we just grabbed, okay? Then from here, in our other examples, we've been removing all of this information, but maybe you want to give a few credit tips, a few home buying tips here. Why should they use Keller Mortgage? What are some advantages of getting approved early? If so, your heading is your heading, your section 1 text, that would be all this text, and then section 1 image will be right here. So grab an image of your favorite Keller Mortgage loan officer and put it right here. I'm going to leave it pretty short for now so you guys don't have to watch me type out a bunch of text. But again, have some call to actions there to click on the apply now link. Tell them why getting approved now versus waiting for their home to come onto the market is a great idea. When we hit save and apply, we'll see all that code take place on the left side, just as we saw on my site. Okay? If there's an error in your copying and pasting, it just won't configure and nothing will load. And you should probably go and grab the original Drive document with my code on it again and recopy and paste it out. Now just going back to this code real quick, occasionally when using a Mac, this back arrow when copied and pasted can turn into a period. If it does that, it is not going to work correctly. And I would suggest that you copy and paste this and add it to a different program. Obviously you have Word, I'm in Google Drive right here. You could even go open your Notepad application, but they need to stay as back arrows, not be reformatted to a period, okay? So we've saved changes, yes. Now we're just going to follow that last step again of adding the page. So we're still inside NAP settings. We're going to hit add page. Select the page we just created. So again, your page title is going to be what shows in this drop down menu on your website. Your slug is just your direct link. And we hit save, and again, sometimes the save function isn't clickable. So just on the left side, our list of rearranging what content pages we have on our site, we can just click it and drag it, and settings were updated successfully. And that is adding your Keller Mortgage page to your site. So I'll make sure that in the comments or the description, that HTML page is there for you from my drive. Just remember, you're going to have to copy and paste it into your own document because my version will be a view only for you. Go to your portal, grab your personal link, and switch it out between those quotation marks. If you have any trouble with it, reach out to your tech trainer or myself, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.